Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point and I am Sonali Chopra. Today's topic of discussion is election of Vice President. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Election Commission announced the date for the election to the office of the Vice President of India. It will be held on August 6, 2022. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu's term will end on August 10, 2022. Now moving on to the key points. As per Article 68 of the Constitution, the election to fill the vacancy caused by the expiration of the term of office of the outgoing Vice President is required to be completed before the expiration of the term. Article 324 of the Constitution vests the Superintendent's direction and control of the conduct of election to the office of the Vice President of India in the Election Commission of India. Now let's discuss about election of the Vice President. The election of the Vice President is mentioned in Article 66 of the Constitution. The Vice President shall be elected by the members of an electoral college. The college consists of both elected and nominated members of both the houses of the Parliament. The election is held in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of a single transferable vote. The voting at such an election shall be done by a secret ballot. The Vice President shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. Now let's discuss about the qualifications. Required qualifications for the post of Vice President are: must be a citizen of India, has completed the age of 35 years and qualified for election as a member of the Council of States. He or she should not hold any office of profit under the Government of India or state or any local or other authority subject to the control of any of the said governments. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements with reference to the Vice President of India. 1. An election of Vice President shall be completed after the expiration of the term of sitting Vice President. 2. Electoral College of Vice President consists of only the elected members of the Parliament. Which of the statement or statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.